Primetime news this evening. Hurricane Beryl makes landfall.
But have we passed the worst? Scores of Jamaicans now without electricity.
And we have extended coverage in this very special edition of Primetime News. Good evening and welcome. A very special welcome also to our viewers on TVJ International in the Cayman Islands, as well as on onespotmedia.com. I am Javon Keys.
And I'm Janella Precious. Now, 90% of our bulletin will center around Hurricane Beryl. So there's no sports commentary, no E-Prime, but we will certainly have the weather reports and forecast.
And
now,
business.
Yes, and business and business news. So is he here? Yes, he is the man of the moment. Romaine Robinson is with us. Romaine, have we passed the worst?
Yes, for the most part, the eastern portion of the island is out of that band of fast-moving Category 1, 2, Category 3 winds, and it's only the west that we are concentrating on for the time being, as they are still under the influence of Category 3 winds with some strong showers and thunderstorms, particularly across Westmoreland and some parts of St. Elizabeth, as well as Manchester.
All right, so of course we'll break all of that down for you during the newscast, as well as telling you the sights and scenes we've seen throughout the day. Our team, of course, has been on the ground and experiencing the brunt of Beryl. But of course, throughout the day, we've been asking for your feedback.
And our feedback question this evening: what were the weather conditions like in your area? You can keep those comments coming. Facebook.com/TelevisionJamaica and tweet us at, or rather,
post on X
at TVJ News Center.
Please stay with us. The Primetime package continues right after this break.